Okay, so this is going to be an unboxing of what I got for Christmas. This LPS thing. This is my cousin, Brooklyn. She started unboxing it because I told her to, but then Ella told me to record it to be an unboxing video. This is cute. It's all. I think that's all of it. Yes. This is the side. That's what it is.
You sit right here by the doll.
Okay. We got unboxed. I'm gonna record her unboxing it.
You gotta bring in the older cousin for help.
I have a bow on my forehead.
I don't know why stores are packaging stuff like this, but it makes me mad.
My forehead's itchy, but I have a bow on my forehead, so I can't itch it.
Well, take off the bow and itch it. That's your best bet. There's
Is my forehead red?
no. There, the tape is completely gone.
Oh my gosh.
And little marshmallow and hot dog.
Okay.
A little stool or like a chair.
Be quiet. Hedgehog. His accessories. I love it. My favorite, the fox.
This thing and acorns.
The fox comes with a fish, a see-through fish. I don't know what that is. It comes with
I think that's a cat.
acorn. It's not. Why would it be a cat? It's a panda and a marshmallow, a bear, and
Honey.
I don't know what that. Honey, a bunny, honey bunny,
Marshmallow.
marshmallow,
A dog
stick,
and a hat.
dog and a hat,
Reindeer and a
reindeer and a scarf. I already have that scarf. There's like 50 of those.
scarf. A bird and like a toy.
An owl and
Like a black dragonfly.
a butterfly,
With
and,
a
and like a water pouch thingy.
yeah. A possum.
Possum.
A fire.
With a
and
fire.
then the turtle. With
Turtle.
the hot dog.
With the hot dog. So we're gonna get them out. Be patient. We're gonna get them out. Be back.
Yeah, she got LPS 341 hedgehog. OPS 342 fox. 343 little panda. 344 bunny. 345 an owl. 346 skunk. 347 a possum. 349 butterfly. Sorry. 350 wolf, or it could be just like a husky or something, you know. 351 a deer, and 352 a turtle.
Okay, so we set up a scenery and we're gonna show you. So yeah, here it is. With all the other LPS. So we got this guy in the corner. He's lonely. I put him over here because I don't know why. So yeah, we got all of them with the accessories that came with. So oh my god. Oh my gosh. Don't steal his hot dog. But yeah, I'm gonna go find a place on the fire with my fish. I'm gonna sit right here. Goodbye.